How to add page in PDF file. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is an website called I Love PDF. You will have to use that where you will be able to edit your PDF very easily. Open your browser and then search for I Love PDF. And this is the website. After that, scroll down and you will have to find the option of edit PDF. Simply upload your PDF file over here and then you will be able to edit it. You can add a different page or just edit your text, whatever you can easily do it in this website. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.